Hey, what's going on out there? I'd like to welcome you back to the channel, and in this video, I'm just going to try to make a Halloween beat from scratch. So let's get into it. Let's go to, I kind of want to go to UVI. I think I'm gonna throw Infiltrator on this. Okay, Infiltrator. Let's give it some movement. Okay, I want some type of stab here. So I'm going to do a wolf howl right here. Let's try this. Perfect. I know what I want. Let me go to Drum World, and then let's do this. I know I have a crow. Good. That's exactly what I want. Let me take one of these. All So this is what I'm gonna do. It'll be that. I know I don't have any owl sound effects. There's no way I have an owl sound effect. Look like I have an owl. I thought I saw at least one. These are some types of bells or something. That might be dope throughout the whole thing. Now that's about it. All I need is a bass line. And then on the second half, I could do the sustain. All right, so let's do that. Hey, so that's the beat. I have one more idea. I want to lay some vocals over this. So I was thinking something like the Vincent Price at the end of Thriller. So what I'm going to do is go to ChatGPT and let them come up with a little short script, and then I'll read it over this, and then that'll be the beat. At midnight, soft, a knock you'll hear, a tap that chills you to the ear. You open wide, but no one's there. Just a moonlit fog in a cold night air. Yet, from the dark, a whisper comes, a voice from where the silence hums. Don't go outside, don't make a sound. The dead are waiting underground. Beware, they're coming. Soft, a knock you'll hear, a tap that chills you to the ear. You open wide, but no one's there. Just a moonlit fog in a cold night air. Yet, from the dark, a whisper comes, a voice from where the silence hums. Don't go outside, don't make a sound. The dead are waiting underground. Midnight, soft, a knock you'll hear, a tap that chills you to the ear. You open wide, but no one's there. Just a moonlit fog in a cold night air. Yet, from the dark, a whisper comes, a voice from where the silence hums. Don't go outside, don't make a sound. The dead are waiting underground. Beware, they're coming. At And there you have it. That's the beat. You know, I let ChatGPT write up a little Halloween poem. I recited it, and that was a lot of fun. Hopefully you liked watching this, and maybe I'll do another one in the future. Who knows? But until next time, peace.